I lost 70 pounds eating filling, delicious dinners just like this cauliflower curry that I'm going to show you how to make today. It is in my newest book, Plantifully Simple, which you can get in stores and Amazon. The link is in my bio. I'm going to start off by adding some garlic and tomatoes to my blender. You can use fresh if you want. I'm going to add some onion, and I'm making a double batch because we like leftovers. I'm going to blend it up, add that to a pot, and I'm going to add tikka masala and yellow curry paste. You can use yellow curry powder. I was just out. If you can't find tikka masala, you can also use garam masala. Then I'm going to add some salt and a little ginger, give that a mix, and then I'm going to let it cook down for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium-high heat. I cover it because the tomatoes like to splash everywhere. So while that cooks, I'm going to chop up the cauliflower, and once the tomato sauce has been cooking for 5 minutes, I'm going to add the cauliflower, add some almond milk, and let that cook down until the cauliflower is nice and soft. Then I'm going to add some maple syrup, a little lime juice, and an obscene amount of cilantro because we love it. And that's it, guys. It's done. It is so good. I love to serve it with white rice. And yes, I lost 70 pounds eating white rice exclusively. I hate brown rice. I've tried. I can't do it. But it is so delicious and easy to make, and it leaves you lots of leftovers if you make a double batch. There's Nacho always waiting for something to drop. But I hope you guys give it a try. I don't think that you will regret it.